today, I plan to use 2 class sessions to go through the instructions for project 2. Yeah. I try to cover all the necessary details so that, for those students who still do not have good ideas on how to implement all the features, so you can follow the instructions and complete the project. All right, so let's start the part 1 of instructions for project 2. C.1, copy starting project from project 1. Yeah. In this part, we do some preparation. Yeah. And the main thing we need to do, just a copy from our project 1. Because we don't want to throw away project 1. Yeah, we want to keep our project 1 there, and we start a new project. Yeah. All right. To do that, first, let me talk about a few important things before I run it in Eclipse. All right. Yeah. Prepare for the new project. All right. First, I want to talk about the database part. Yeah. So our plan a little bit, have some idea what we are going to do for the current database. Yeah. First, we use the same database. Project 1. All right, yeah, okay. But we need to do a little more. Yeah. Basically, we need to add 2 tables, 2 new tables, right? We have 1 table there, but I believe, based on my previous experience, I believe some students may just add 1 table and modify our older table. Yeah. So that's also okay. You do not need to change. You can still use that way. Yeah. But later I will compare these 2 ways. The main difference, an advantage and the disadvantages. Yeah. All right. So adding these 2 tables, the first one we want to add the category table. All right. Yeah. The second one, remember, in order to associate each question to a category, we may need a special table. So we call it a relationship type table. Yeah. Here, I like to use this name because we want to connect these 2 objects. Yeah. The first object, problem. So let me use prob underscore. The second one, category. Yeah, let me just use the simplest possible name. Yeah. Some people may use, mapping, adding mapping in this table name. Some other people may use that association, Yeah, but here, we know the meaning. Yeah, we know this is a mapping type table. All right. Here you can see these 2 different types of tables. They have the different types. Yeah. The first type, this type, we describe a project. We describe an object. Object. We provide, the description information for this object. So we call it entity table. So this is an entity type table. Right. The second different relationship between two objects. Now, mapping between two objects. So that is the relationship table. Yeah. All right. The details I delay it to the place when we work on these two tables, especially this relationship table. I will describe the details when we get there, right? Yeah. Sooner or later, we will get there. All right, so that is the database part. The second part, the source code. When we do preparation, we need to copy source code from project 1. Yeah, so let me talk about that part first. Second, source code. When we do the source code, basically we copy from project 1. It is pretty simple and straightforward, but there is one thing we need to be careful here. Yeah. So that important thing is the order of copying code. Yeah. Here, based on my experience, yeah, I did copy once before. I noticed there is some error. The problem is after I complete everything, doing everything right, still the error is not gone. Yeah. So for that reason, later I figure out, oh, this order is very important. Yeah. Actually, Eclipse has some bug here. Yeah. So if you do not use the right order, then that bug cannot be removed. Very annoying bug. Although you can run the project without any problem, but there is an error sign there, very annoying. So I want to avoid that. So here I emphasize the order. Yeah. All right, so what kind of order? First, we should copy Java code, Java classes. All right, so Java classes first. Yeah. Second, copy web files. I think you understand the meaning here, right? Yeah, you understand that. Yeah. All right. The reason is pretty simple because in the web files, we have some JSP, right? And JSP, they need to use Java files, right? Yeah. But if you copy web files first, JSP need to use Java file, but Java file not available. If not available, you see the error sign if Java classes are not available. So that's the problem we may have. All right. Later, if you copy Java classes next, they're available there, but whatever you try to manipulate, try to get back, the error sign cannot be removed. Yeah, so that's my old experience. We want to avoid that. All right. So now let us do this part and complete this video. All right. So when we start, let us just check if several things ready. First, 2 servers, Apache server and MySQL server. All right, it's there, ready. Now, second, Eclipse also ready. All right, so now let me start a copy part. Let me create a new dynamic web project. Yeah, here. Yeah, so let me use the file name project2 sample 2. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Here I use sample 2. Yeah. Sample 1 I use for my own experiment. All right. Yeah. Sample 2. Yeah. Finish. All right. After that, my project 1 code should come from project 1 also sample 2. Yeah, also sample 2. All right. Here, let me just copy the Java code. All right, inside the Java node, I copy the edu folder and paste here. All right. After I make the copy, so you can see it's there, but we also check, yeah, here. All the packages, 3 packages are here. All right. Second, the web content. For the web content, yeah, let's copy these 2 JSP files first. All right, and put it here. Yeah. All right, yeah. You see, after the copy, there is no error sign. So we are good at this step. Then inside web-if, web.xml, we need to copy. All right, so don't forget our database driver. We need to copy. Put in the library, lib folder. All right, yeah. See, yeah. Now you can see we have everything we copy from the old project. Yeah. Nothing is wrong here, so we are ready to run this project. If it is successful, we complete this step. Yeah, so let's do it. Run as on server. Everything looks fine. Yeah. Only run this one. All right. Good. See, that's what we have in our old project. All right. Yeah, old project. All right. That's a good start. All right. Then from this point later, we will add feature by feature. And at the same time, a lot of preparation, a lot of understanding. All right. So then we try to get all the features. All right. So let me stop right here.